Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the hybrid tray actually accepts 2 physical nano SIMs. Some hybrids share space with a micro SD. Once confirmed, power down to avoid electrical damage and remove the tray with the eject tool. Make sure you've got 2 nano SIMs ready and inspect the tray. One slot is primary, the other is hybrid. Align SIM cutouts to the tray recesses. Push each card flat so the gold contacts face down and the notches match. Reinsert slowly to avoid bending the tray. Once done, power the phone back on and open SIM settings to activate both lines. The system may take a minute to register networks. Make sure you assign which SIM handles mobile data and which is for calls or SMS, and enable VO LTE if available for each. If data doesn't appear, enter APN details for that carrier manually. Once updated, toggle airplane mode off then on to force reconnection. Test by calling one SIM from the other, and by browsing to confirm data routing. To finish, verify signal bars for both SIMs and run real-world tests. Receive SMS, make a call, and download a small file. If one SIM is missing, power down and reset both cards. Sometimes swapping their positions resolves detection. Make sure you're not trying to use a micro SD and 2 SIMs if the tray is hybrid. Those slots are mutually exclusive. If problems persist, clean contacts gently, test with another known good SIM, or contact your carrier. Avoid forceful cutting or bending of SIMs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.